I get a lot of questions from business owners about non-competes and how you can handle those with employees. So, Virginia's recently passed some new laws that impact how non-competes can be used. In general, non-competes are what are referred to as disfavored agreements. So, the courts view them with a lot of skepticism. They're not even valid in all states. California, in particular, doesn't recognize non-competes as a valid agreement. So, they sort of need to be carefully drafted, and the provisions of them need to be carefully considered to make sure that they are as enforceable as possible. So, in particular, in Virginia, there are some salary restrictions on who can and can't enter into a non compete. And you need to be very careful about the restrictions in terms of how long the non compete is valid, what the geographic scope of the non compete is, and what industries the non compete limits an employee from working in should they leave working for the business they're currently working in where they entered into the non-compete. So rule of thumb, non-competes are great if you can fit your employees into the criteria needed to use one. Be very careful with how they're drafted, and it's likely that some of these laws are going to continue to change in the future, so you need to sort of stay on top of them and make any adjustments necessary.
Make sure you subscribe, like, and add your question to the comments. We look forward to helping you on your entrepreneurship journey to build a feasible, sustainable, and profitable business. So subscribe, and we will see you once again next week.